Yo, what up, what's poppin'? It's me, Josh Otusanya, here again, and in this video, we're gonna answer the question, are humans better at creation or destruction? Now, first glance, creation and destruction are like two different sides of the spectrum. In my opinion, I think they're the same, and they actually work together. Like, look, my parents created me, brought me into the world, and when I said something stupid, they destroyed me with a massive wooden stick, beat me to oblivion.
Joshua, you got a B on your exam. Why did you not get an A?
Yeah, whatever, Dad.
Come here. I will kill you. I will kill you.
No, Dad, no, I'm But on a serious note, on a large scale, human nature has created some of the most amazing splendors in the world. The Eiffel Tower, Great Wall of China, Times Square, freaking airplanes, massive chunks of metal that fly through the sky. The list goes on, and these things are all amazing, but at what cost? For example, as the population on this planet continues to increase, we continue to build out our cities, build out housing, especially in all these suburban areas. We are at the same time destroying our planet. We destroy natural habitats. Animals are in danger of extinction. And global warming is a legit issue because of all the pollution that we keep producing. So we're actually destroying our natural resources faster than we can replenish them. Now, with this being said, I don't think it's our fault. I don't think it's humans' fault because I believe that it is significantly easier to destroy than it is to create. Like, Rome was built, if I'm correct, over the span of like hundreds of years. It only took about 6 days for it to burn down. So if you ask me, in my personal opinion, I say we're better at creation because destruction is inevitable. I remember one time my younger brother, he woke up in the morning once and he was sick and he felt really weak in his body. He couldn't move. He needed help walking down the stairs. We took him to the doctor, and in a couple weeks, he got cured of pneumonia. There was a time where dying of pneumonia was as common as day. We create not only amazing splendors and buildings and things, but we create cures to threatening diseases and sicknesses and illnesses. In addition, technology keeps increasing and getting better and more innovative, making the quality of our life so much better while destroying in the process. In the comment section down below, let me know what you think. Are humans better at creation or destruction? For more videos, click over here. What you waiting on? Click. Click, click. You know, in high school, I really wanted the approval of the cool kids to feel important. In college, I wanted the approval of all the women. But then after I graduated college, I realized, trying to spend so much time trying to find the approval of other people is a waste of your